Today we're in an area called Miraverde. Don't confuse that with Miraverde. This is an urbanisation. We're just about probably a 8-minute drive away, something like that, from Las Americas, maybe 10 to Los Cristianos, and it's very close to the village of Fanya Bay. But again, don't get confused, it's not Playa Fanya Bay, because playa means beach, and that is the beach of Fanya Bay. So the village of Fanya Bay is just up here. Today we're looking at a studio apartment on this complex. There's a community pool that you can use, which is absolutely fantastic. I've just been there to see that. It's the first time I've seen that. That's really nice. And this apartment's got a nice garden view. It's set in some really nice gardens. There's nice gardens on the complex, and it's just a really nice complex, and it seems a nice apartment as well. So it looks like it's been totally refurbished recently. So let's have a look around. Coming in here through the main entrance, first of all on the left hand side we've got the bathroom. So we've got everything that we need. We've got water heater, toilet, fully tiled shower, hand basin and washing machine. So it's all tucked away in here nicely. Then on the left hand side we've got a fitted American style kitchen. We've got a 4-hob cooker, sink, loads of cupboard areas and a fridge freezer here. So all of these tiles look new as well, so it's been totally retiled. And on the left hand side we've got some mirrored wardrobes, so plenty of storage. And then there used to be a balcony here, so what the owner's done is put some windows in and some shutters, knocked out the wall, so it gives some more space and it just makes it look a lot brighter. And then behind me here we've got the bed, plenty of room for a double bed there, and then that's where the kitchen is, just behind the bed. So really nice, well set out studio apartment in Miraverde. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.